Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ziplock bags are probably one of the most versatile and indispensable items in any modern kitchen, offering a simple yet effective solution for food storage, organization, and even creative DIY projects, ensuring your ingredients stay fresh, your pantry remains tidy, and your leftovers are preserved with ease, making them a true kitchen essential that simplifies daily life. Number 5. Toiletry Bag Kit Set. Introducing our versatile toiletry bag kit, designed to keep all your essentials organized. It's perfect for travel or everyday use. The main toiletry bag features a convenient hanging hook. This allows for easy access to your items in any bathroom. It also includes a 311 TSA-compliant cosmetic bag for your liquids. Breeze through airport security with ease. An ultralight accessory pouch is included for smaller items. Keep your grooming tools and accessories neatly stored. This set provides a complete solution for your travel needs. Stay organized and prepared wherever you go. Crafted for durability and style, this kit is a must-have for any traveler. It's designed to withstand the rigors of travel. What we like. This offers ultimate organization for your toiletries. If you are looking for a way to keep all your travel essentials neatly arranged and easily accessible, this is the one. Its hanging feature makes it perfect for small hotel bathrooms. What people say. The bags are very durable and hold up well to repeated use. The Ziplock seal is strong and prevents leaks effectively. These bags are perfect for storing food and keeping it fresh. Number 4. Laffeya 20 Reusable Mason Jar Bags. Introducing a versatile set of 20 reusable bags, perfect for storing a variety of dry goods. They come in 2 convenient sizes to suit your needs. These bags feature a smart narrow mouth designed to prevent spills, even if they tip over. The airtight seal ensures your contents stay fresh and secure during transport. Crafted from durable polyethylene, these bags are built to last. They can be easily washed with a brush and are safe for refrigeration, offering a sustainable storage option. Ideal for organizing your kitchen, packing for travel, or taking on camping trips. Use them to store candies, cookies, nuts, and more, keeping everything tidy and accessible. These bags are not only practical but also great for displaying treats during holidays and parties. Make your celebrations even more special with these charming and functional storage solutions. What we like. These are designed for dry goods and snacks, with a clever narrow mouth to prevent spills. If you like to pack snacks for picnics, camping, or just for your kids' lunches, these are a fantastic reusable option. They're great for keeping cookies and nuts fresh. What people say. The bags are very sturdy and hold up well to freezing. The Ziplock closure is strong and keeps food fresh. These bags are great for organizing and storing leftovers. Number 3. Mason Jar Bags Yellow Food Storage. Introducing our innovative food storage bags, designed to keep your food fresh for longer. Made from BPA-free materials, they ensure your meals stay healthy and delicious. Experience the ultimate in food preservation with our special airtight Ziplock. These durable and leak-proof bags prevent air from entering, keeping your food incredibly fresh. These versatile bags are perfect for organizing your freezer and kitchen. Their reusable design helps you save significant space at home. Lightweight and portable, they are ideal for storing spices and tea on the go. Take them with you to work, while traveling, or camping. Each pack contains 20 reusable zipper storage bags, measuring 6.2 inches high and 4.2 inches wide. They are designed to stand up when full for convenient use. What we like. These offer a durable and healthy way to store food on the go. If you need small, portable bags for spices, tea, or snacks during your commute or travels, these are ideal. They keep food incredibly fresh with their special airtight Ziplock. What people say. They are great space savers. These envelopes were the key to keeping all my beloved spices in a small basket as compared to the massive space previously dedicated to my collection. These are great for organizing my spice cupboard. They stand up on their own. Number 2. Laffeya 20-pack 1000 ml reusable mason jar bags. Introducing our set of 20 reusable mason jar bags, perfect for storing and displaying your favorite treats. Each bag offers a generous 1,000 milliliters capacity. Designed with an airtight seal, these bags provide excellent leak resistance, making them ideal for on-the-go snacks. While not recommended for liquids, they ensure your food stays fresh. Crafted from durable polyethylene, these bags are built to last. They can be easily washed and even refrigerated, making them a practical choice for everyday use. These jar-designed bags are perfect for a variety of foods, including nuts, fruits, tea leaves, and snacks. They help keep your kitchen organized and your food easily accessible. Store them on tabletops, in refrigerators, or cabinets. These bags help save space and keep your belongings tidy, whether at home, during travel, or while camping. Make your celebrations even more special. These bags are wonderful for displaying snacks at parties like Children's Day, Halloween, birthdays, Christmas, and New Year's. What we like. This option provides a generous 1,000 milliliters capacity for your snacks and treats. If you're preparing DIY candy or nut gifts for parties, or simply need larger reusable snack bags for gatherings, these are perfect. They are also great for general kitchen, travel, and camping storage. What people say. Stand on their own. Great quality plastic. Easy to see what is inside. Secured easy closure. These bags look good, are great quality and are exactly what I needed. Number 1. Reusable mason jar bags, food storage pouches. Keep your food fresher for longer with our innovative airtight Ziplock design. It effectively prevents air from entering, ensuring a smell-proof and moisture-proof seal. Say goodbye to single-use plastics. These bags are designed to be reusable and washable, significantly reducing waste and helping you contribute to a cleaner planet. With a convenient stand-up design, these bags help you store items neatly in your kitchen or freezer. They easily fit into cabinets and refrigerators, saving valuable space. These versatile bags are ideal for storing a variety of foods and snacks. Take them with you to work, on camping trips, or while traveling for convenient food storage. This package includes 100 durable bags in 2 convenient sizes, 5.5 by 7.8 inches and 4.3 by 6.2 inches. You'll have plenty for all your storage and organizational needs. What we like. This is the most economical choice, offering a large quantity of bags in 2 convenient sizes. If you're looking for a bulk solution to reduce plastic waste and organize your kitchen, freezer, or travel snacks, this is it. They are perfect for a variety of foods and offer excellent moisture and smell protection. What people say. They open fairly easily, keep my spices fresh. I'll be able to reuse these over and over again, and they clean up nicely. They are such a nice size and make our kitchen function better for us. They are also very durable. Each bag easily held 6-ounce bottles, including cinnamon sticks. The gussets at the bottom allowed for more as well. The bags are durable. They sit nice in the refrigerator. Very durable, easy to clean, and I like the fact you can reuse them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.